took the bus to Lowe's to get a furnace filter, but they didn't have the right size. Oh, that was a waste of an hour. Okay, let's see if I have better luck at the Home Depot. It's 18 by 25. Okay, I got the filter. No more buses today, so I've got to walk back. So there's the furnace filter, and I also got the stove hood filter, and the timers. You can tell that because I threw them on the floor. We had a whole bunch of timers, but Bruno lost them somehow. So you see how the store carried everything I wanted, and then I got it all? So at least for now, the Home Depot beats Lowe's.